Hey everyone, today I'm going to take an in-depth look at everything you need to know to easily work out any polyrhythm, and also how to perform them and use them as devices for creating new ideas and composing music generally. Polyrhythm is when two or more rhythms with different pulses are heard simultaneously. For example, 3 beats played in the same time it takes to play 2. And that's exactly where we're going to start, with the most basic polyrhythm, 3 against 2. Polyrhythms are represented by ratios where each number is not divisible by the other. There are 3 steps to understanding any polyrhythm fully. Take the first number in the ratio as the underlying pulse of the time signature. So in a 3 against 2 polyrhythm, the time signature will be one with a pulse of 3 beats. 3/4, 3/2 and 9/8 are examples of time signatures that would have an underlying pulse of 3 beats. Next, you need to work out the composite or resultant rhythm that occurs from the polyrhythm. A composite rhythm is a surface level rhythm that allows us to feel and play a polyrhythm smoothly without having to think about the 2 rhythms at play separately. At the start of this section, I demonstrated a 3 against 2 polyrhythm. I'm now going to snap 3 beats in my right hand and 2 against that in my left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If I now transfer the rhythm that you hear into one hand, what you should get is the resultant rhythm. The last thing we need to do is map this resultant rhythm onto music notation. This will enable us to really understand, play and compose with the polyrhythm effectively. Firstly, multiply the 2 numbers involved in the ratio together. In this case, 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6 to get the lowest common denominator. Next, take a time signature with an underlying pulse of 3 beats. I'm going to use 3/4 as it is the most common. Now write out a bar of 3/4 with 6 evenly spaced notes. In the context of 3/4, that means a full bar of quavers or 1/8 notes. Then circle every 3 notes starting on the first beat. Now remove all of the non-circled notes, and that is the resultant rhythm. So the 3/2 polyrhythm has 2 dotted crotchet notes literally dividing the 3/4 time signature in half. Playing this rhythm involves keeping the pulse in one hand and the resultant rhythm in the other. On the guitar, we can play the 3/2 polyrhythm by putting the 3 pulse in our thumb and the 2 beats in our fingers.